17, humidity and rainfall. Humidity and rainfall. In previous class, children, in the previous class, we talk about the humidity, then the process, three process which water enters the atmosphere: evaporation, condensation, and the precipitation. In the condensation, forms of condensation are fog and mist, clouds, dew, frost. And in the precipitation, we talk about the rain. In the rain, there are three types of the rainfall: relief, convectional, and cyclonic rainfall. We discussed all this topic in the previous class. In this class, we reach on the page number 145, snow. 145, snow. And before this, we have what do you understand by saturated air? Saturated air. Saturated air means holding moisture as much as possible. Saturated air means they are holding the moisture as much as possible. And what is different between the condensation and the precipitation? We all know what is the process of condensation. Condensation is a process in which water vapor in the air change into the water, and the precipitation is the process in which condensed water vapor falls down in the surface of the earth in the form of the rain, snow, sleet and hail. We talk about the rain and the types of rainfall in the previous class. In this class we reach at the snow, 145 page. Snow forms when the water vapor in the atmosphere turns directly into the small ice crystal because of extremely low temperature. Because at the time temperature goes too much low, so snow form when the water vapor in the atmosphere turns directly into the small ice crystal because of extremely low temperature. It is also a form of the precipitation. It is also the form of the precipitation. Sleet is also the form of the precipitation. This form of the precipitation is the combination of snowflakes and rain falling together. This form of the precipitation is a combination of the snowflakes and rain falling together. Hail. When falling, the rain drops are thrown back high above the clouds. By rising the air currents, they freeze and become the ice pellets. If the tossing process of take place many times, then more layer of the ice form around the pellets, giving them an onion-like pattern. And the pattern of that ice pellet is the onion-like pattern. When these pellets become heavy, they fall down as a hilly stone. First of all, ice petals may formed, and the pattern is onion-like pattern. And when these pellets become heavy and they fall down in the earth as a hailstone. So this is called the hail. In this class we talk about the snow, sleet and hail. Now we will move on to the summary. The amount of the water vapor is called the humidity. The main factor that affect humidity is temperature. High temperature, high humidity. Evaporation is the changing of the water into water vapor, while condensation is the changing of the water vapor into water. Fog, clouds, dew, frost are the form of condensation. Precipitation takes place in the form of the rain, snow, sleet and hail. And there are three main types of the rainfall: relief, convectional and the cyclone. In this chapter we learned all these things. Now we will move on to the exercise. Now we will move on to the exercise. First is fill in the blanks with the appropriate words. First is fill in the blanks with the appropriate words. A is blanks refers to the temperature at which condensation take place. Blanks refers to the temperature at which condensation take place, and it is the dew point. The answer is the dew point. Sorry. Children, you have to make a note or make it mind about this. Line's first letter is always capital. Line's first letter is always capital. Thin fog is called mist. Thin fog is called mist. Blanks rainfall occurs on the tropical and temperate region. Cyclonic rainfall leeward side received a little rainfall. In the leeward side, windward side received the high rainfall and leeward side received blanks rainfall. It's a little. Answer is little. Ice pellets falling from the sky are called the hail. Hail. Please still note down this. Second exercise, choose the correct answer. First is, in the hot desert, the humidity is generally low. The temperature at which condensation starts is called dew point. Dew point. Thick clouds like formations at the ground level in winter. At the ground level, it's called mist, vapor, smoke or fog. It's called fog. When thick cloud like formation at the ground level, if it is in a atmosphere level, then it is a cloud. Thick cloud like a formation of the ground level in the winter is called fog. Precipitation does not include Hail, snowfall, sleet, surface of the earth, or four? Four. Answer is another time four. These are the area where the conventional rainfall is common. Conventional rainfall, it is mainly occurs in the equatorial areas. So answer is equatorial region. Please children note down this. Now we move on to the next third exercise. Match the rows. Warm and cold air masses. Don't write this way. Write down only number and this will help you and easy for you also. First is frost. Frost. With frost, it is a cold night. You can see the frost, cold night. B. Relief rainfall, hills and mountains. On the hills and mountains. Warm and cold air masses, cyclonic and frontal air rainfall. Cyclonic and frontal rainfall. Humidity, second moisture in the atmosphere. Second moisture in the atmosphere. Snow and rain, sleep. Snow and rain, sleep. I repeat it again. Frost. 4 number, cold nights. Frost, cold night. Relief rainfall, hills and mountains. Relief rainfall, hills and mountains. Warm and cold air masses. Cyclonic and frontal rainfall. Humidity, moisture in the atmosphere. Second, moisture in the atmosphere. Snow and rain. Third, sleet. sleep. Please children note down this. Number 4, exercise number 4. Write true or false, correct the false sentence in your notebook. Write true or false and correct the sentence in your notebook. 4a. Temperature and the pressure controls the amount of the humidity at the place. No, it is wrong. Only temperature controls the amount of humidity at the place. That's why the sentence is false. Only temperature only temperature controls the amount of humidity at a place. B. Evaporation is high when the temperature is high. It is also true. Evaporation is high when the temperature is high. B. True. C. Snow and sleet are form of the condensation. No, it's a wrong. Snow and sleets are the form of the precipitation. C. False. Snow and sleet are forms of precipitation. Then please children note down this. finish in the D. Number 4. Exercise number also 4, true and false. It is on the number 4. Cyclonic rainfall is caused when moisture-laden wind forced is to the rise above the mountain. No, it's wrong. Not cyclone rainfall is caused moisture-laden wind. Relief rainfall is caused when the moisture-laden wind is forced to rise above to mountain. So it is a false. And the answer is relief rainfall is caused when moisture laden wind is forced to rise above number 5 E. Convectional rainfall is common in the equatorial region. It's true, convectional rainfall is common in the equatorial region, and it's true. Please children note down this. And children, it is a homework time. Please note down the homework. Write down the glossary of lesson number 70. Write down the glossary of the lesson number 70. Please children note down the homework. Now it is bye bye time children, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Stay safe.